Happy Thanksgiving.
Show Mom your moose. Show Mom your moose.
What is this? What is that?
Feels better when I do it backwards.
What is that?
Hi, honey. You want to talk?
I don't know what that is.
She goes to using you.
Are you watching football? Because that's what the linebackers do.
You got a moose caboose? Where's your moose caboose?
Oh. Little saliva.
Yeah, moose caboose.
Oh,
Okay, found my. Okay. What are you
that's what
doing?
she's doing. She's showing the moose caboose. Turn around. Let me see the moose caboose.
She goes,
Turn
she
around.
goes at Cameron, you know, they call him Moose. She goes,
Hi, honey.
she goes, look at me.
Okay.
Careful, girls.
Good one, come here. Good.
Hi, honey. Hi, Rory. Rory, can you say hi? What's your name? What? What are you getting? Your cars? What are you working on? Cars 2? Where's Cars 2 stuff? Hi. What's this? What does sheep say? What does the kitty say? Is that trash?
How do you say hello in Chinese?
Meow. Is that trash? Oh, okay. Should we put that in the trash can? You want to play with the puzzle? Whoa, no.